Well, update. Warren's still getting that roof on. I'm still grinding that stainless steel. I still ain't done it all. Let's have a look inside. Right, we've got our homemade seat mechanism. Should be tubes coming off the floor. It's a lot of hard work to make, so we've mounted this on the lifting eyes of the gearbox. We're starting to get an accelerator pedal and a dashboard. Just matter of doing some wiring, connect that throttle cable up to the engine. How what's done? Get out, you don't even work on tanks anymore, mate. You're the mini expert.
I ain't a fucking mini expert.
Yeah, you are. Look, you see that mini convertible over there? That's what Dale's favourite vehicle is.
That's dog shit. Absolute dog shit.
Yeah, seats in down on the ground.
Dog shit. Especially that car's better.
Look, get your fat arse in there, Dale.
Not that arse, it's perfect. Once the levers are put in the right place, it'll be perfect. Look, here, stick down there by my leg.
Yeah, well, you won't need that. You're on semi-auto. Yeah. Have you got where your elbow is? Though, is where the selector's going to go for the. Not sure. I don't think it's that good a place there. You won't be able to see.
You've also got to see what gear you're in.
Yeah, well, that's why it should be on the side there, so you can
have a good look and turn around the corner.
Oh, you don't need to, do you? Well, done a bit of wiring. So in theory, everything's working apart from the oil pressure gauge. So we'll put a bit of oil in the transmission, see what happens. 42 gallons of SA50. We should have about 2 gallons left out of this after we've done the transmission. Pre-select gearbox selector fitted. start of our mud guards. These are Sherman mud guards. Obviously they would have come back a lot further on a Grant. They get bolted on. I think they're on top, I'm not sure. I'll have to look at some pictures, but we'll make them up. We have got, for this side, what's left of the old mud guard here. So we've got something to copy to fill that gap on that goes between the mud guard and the body. We'll see how we get on. Our second door. Door number 2. Well, it's not door number 2. We've just sort of had a practice cut with the plasma cutter. It's just been mucking around lately. We're going to go with disc cutting. We've got our corners, the holes, and then we'll cut it out with a disc cutter. We did have a practice run, but I'm not happy with the cut.
Right, ready?
Go on in. door's trying to open. You can still go hard over that way. Stop. He's fucking shit what's in the back, isn't he? Go back and that way a little bit. No. Back. Successful. And it's 1 year today since it turned up in the container. You can see what state it was in when it arrived. I mean, we've only done about, I'd say 3 months work on it. 2 or 3 months work in the last year. So it is what it is. It's work in progress.